like crab, but it's not so, not crab.
Where?
What kind of this one? See, you see? Oh my god! What is it? Oh my god! Oh, a lot of crab, and I see the one alien guy here.
Where alien?
Oh my god!
Catfish.
It's
This
so
one.
small. This is called a catfish.
Baby catfish.
Oh my god!
God, I got this one.
Oh my god!
Come here, come here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! So nice, so cute. My god! Oh my god! So lucky. You can see the color. How they move it? A lot of crab. I don't know what kind of this baby fish, but it's so cute. I will get in my. I see one. I see the
Like
blue color.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit! One crab. Oh, so big guy. Oh my god, with the crab. The fish. Oh my god, maybe I can get
Snakehead fish. This one. The baby of snakehead fish.
They go.
Strength. This one.
Oh, maybe they come from alien. What kind of is that? Let me get it moving. Let me get it moving. These are so green color, like a red and green yellow. It's so cute, guy. It's so cute here. This kind of fish we call a galaxy fish, galaxy betta fish. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for follow and discovery my channel. So today we come and discovery with me. So you guys can see behind me the green color with the net, the plastic net, the long one from here. You can see they put from here and here in the middle of the plank. So this kind of traditional that the people they can get the fish. Because the fish even they get the net and then they go through to the middle one and they be stuck and they cannot go out from that like you can see like the arrow sign. When the fish he go in and then he cannot find the way to go out. This is the traditional that the people they put and to catch the fish. And you see before it's not a lot of water like this. Before I put my through here to catch the fish, but right now a lot of water come. And yes, a lot of water is floating now. And today discovered me with my traditional net to get some betta fish here or small fish or the colorful fish here. Let's go with me. I want to try here some here to find the betta fish and to find the so cute the colorful fish. Oh my god, I see a lot of small fish.
They're moving.
Yeah, they're moving now. They just see me and then they go out to the deep water already. But let me try some. Oh, crab. Only the crab and the small baby or the baby fish. A lot. This kind of the betta also, but it's very small. So we put it back in the water. Only crab. Oh my god, I got a big one. Oh my god.
Wait, come here.
Oh my god. Put it. Oh my god. So nice, so cute. My god. Oh my god, it's so lucky. You can see the color. Wow, this kind of the betta fish. Here they call onside, tray onside, the fish onside, tray crumb onside. You see the color, it's so cute. Blue, green. They put in the water a little bit. You can see they play in the water. Here. Oh, here. Oh, I see the leaf. The leaf coming. Oh my god. But I'm not so scared of the list.
Okay.
Okay, get it. Oh, the list still here? Oh, here. Oh my god, here. Oh, you see, guys? You can see or not? Oh my god, see? Oh, they want to eat the fish. But it's so small. Okay, I put it in my jar. Okay, let's go, guys. One, we get one already. Oh my god, so cute. We put under the green grass and then you can see. Oh my god, we get one very big. But right now they change the color. Before they very blue, but right now they change the color by himself. This fish. Oh. Deep water. I cannot know this is deep water.
See something?
No, nothing. Try here.
Come here, come here.
Oh,
come here, come here.
Oh my god. Oh, big crab. I see the crab. Oh my god.
Come here.
Oh, a lot of crab. And I see the one alien guy here.
Where alien?
Oh my god.
Catfish.
It's
This
so
one.
small. This is called a catfish.
Baby catfish.
Oh my god. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, a lot of crab here. You can see the crab here. Woo. Woo, a lot of crab.
The family of the
Okay, let
crab,
let me get the red one. It's so cute, the red one. Let me get in my jar first. My glass. Oh, oh no, I get that.
You don't need this?
I need this one. Oh my god,
This one.
oh, it's so cute.
Careful, it
Oh
can
my
bite
god,
you.
it can bite me, this guy.
Oh,
Oh, I get that one. Oh wait, oh, see this is the alien fish. So small and no color. See the color?
very transparency. This one.
I don't know what kind of this baby fish, but it's so cute. I will get in my jar that you guys can see clear. Okay. Oh, it's already the baby of the small catfish here. I also put in my jar that you guys can see it in the transparency jar. Oh, it's too small. Okay, I got it. Okay, put here. Okay, let me try here.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see here one. I see the
Something like
it
the
blue color.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
Oh, still there.
Oh, yeah.
One crab. Oh, so big guy. Oh my god, with the crab. Oh, so cute. Very blue. Green and blue and the long fin.
Wow.
Oh my god. Hey guys, I will put in the transparency water that you can see clear. Oh my god. So big. Compared to my finger. Oh
Wow.
my god, around my finger already.
Very, very big. This one.
Oh my god, you see?
Wow.
Very big.
Oh, so nice.
Oh my god, we are so lucky. Can I show you in the transparency water, the clear water here? It's so nice, my god. You can see the color very nice here. Oh, you guys can see this is the fish also here. You see? You see this?
Oh,
This is the baby of the fish. Oh my god, maybe I can get
snakehead fish. This one. The baby of snakehead
oh,
fish.
they go. Oh, where they go?
Here.
Oh, here. Come on. Here. No? Yeah, my god. I put in the water here and you guys can see.
Baby
Oh,
snake
this-
head. This one.
Oh my god, what is the name? I don't know the name
Snake
of this
head.
fish.
This one.
Snake head?
Yeah. Snake
Oh.
head. This one.
It's so cute. He put in my
Don't take two.
jar.
Okay.
I'm so lucky, guy. This kind of fish. Okay, guys, here you can see this very amazing guy. So big and colorful. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my god, amazing, very big. That you can see this leg with the lutu, with the some green grass, the bird here. So a lot of fish here. So I am so lucky here I get one. And normally a lot of children, lot of people, they come and they find this betta fish. Oh my god, I'm so lucky, a very big guy. You see? Oh my god,
Lucky day. So big, so big.
so big.
Yeah, crab.
Crab don't eat my fish here. Oh. You see the small guy here, the catfish. Oh my god, so cute when I put here.
Oh,
They're so cute.
Oh, nice, so nice.
Oh, here, one more. One more crab. One more crab. Oh, they don't want to go. Let's keep here. We try other. I see a lot of here. Some bit here.
Okay, let's turn.
Oh, a lot
big.
of crab. Big
crab,
one, huh?
see.
Big crab. A lot of crab here. This water.
See something?
Yeah, the baby fish here. You see here? You see here? Oh, they come. Oh, they go. Let me go. Oh, frog, and other two. Oh my god, the frog. Oh, I hit two. Oh, the frog is going. Oh my god.
Baby snake head. This one.
Snake head. Oh my god, so cute. They put in the water. Then we try to go away. You can see the where what he want to do in the water here. Hey guy. Oh here. Oh my god. He get two.
Okay.
Yeah, I put in my. Oh see he also here. Oh see.
They move.
A lot of baby of the fish here.
He's still here. There.
Oh, still here, yeah. Oh my god, is he here? Oh my god. They not scare me, they come to me, you see here.
He want to come with you. Let's get it.
Come.
Come on, boy. Can catch it. No.
Go on already. Go on already.
Okay. Terus nang.
Right here. Oh, I see the crab.
Where?
Big crab here.
What is this?
This color so cute. This different color. My God. You see the color? Oh my God. Here you go close and then you can see the color. Oh, like a yellow crab. This yellow.
See something this one. Capture is very strong. This one.
Oh,
This.
maybe they come from alien. What kind of this snap? Let me get it moving. Let me get it moving. Oh my god. This kind of. Let's put in my jar also.
Careful. It can bite you.
Can bite?
Yeah, release it.
Okay. Oh, big snail! My God, it's so big. Small fish and big snail here. Oh, get my. Let me try here. So we can see if we get something or not. Oh, frog! Oh, they gone already. Let me put here one. Yeah. Oh, frog! I see frog. One frog. Oh, frog. Oh, crab. Oh, my God. It's so cute. Oh, it's the yellow, black, blue. Oh my God. A lot of color. So colorful. Oh, crab. They're living with the crab. Oh, it's so strange. What is this?
Where?
Look like crab, but it's not so. Not crab.
Where?
What kind of this one? See? Oh my God. What is this?
Sea crab.
A crab, but it's not crab. I don't know what kind of this crab.
Sea crab.
You see? Oh my God. What kind of this crab? I never see. Oh my God. It's from the alien or what? but guy, you see the betta fish here? Oh my God. Oh my God, one more. We get two. Oh, they living in the crab also. These are so green color, like a red and green yellow. It's so cute, guy. It's so cute here. And this one, it's a black, blue, and the pink.
Orange.
Some pink, some yellow.
Orange.
Oh yes, orange also. Oh my God.
I got two here.
Yeah, we got in my. Let me bring my jar. Oh, go in. Oh, guy here. Oh my God. One more here. Oh my God. Oh my God, so lucky. So we get three. Oh my God. Three. Okay, we get three, guys. Three. Oh my God. It's like this kind of fish we call a galaxy fish, galaxy betta fish. Okay, let's put in my jar. And I see the special crab. I never know this kind of crab. I just see, this is my first time I see this kind of crab. Okay, let's put my jar here. So I think when I put here, they will be fighting with the big one. This one very big. They will fighting here, I think, maybe. But we can get it if we put it. Hey guys, come on. I will put in my aquarium. The big glass that I have in my house. I will show you guys in my big glass in home. So should go. One more. Oh my God, this one red. A lot of colorful, this guy. Oh my God, you see? A lot of color. Black, yellow, green, red. Go in. So and I see the special crab here. Oh, I know. Oh, this is not a special because I see this one. They go over. They go over like this. I know. Okay, I know. Okay, I know it's not a special crab. Hey guys, let's see how many fish we get it. A lot of fish, colorful. You can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god! With the special baby fish also you see here. I don't know what kind of this, but very good.
Nice.
Oh guys, right now it's raining coming. Yeah, because like I tell you, this season is right now is raining season. So right now it's coming, the rain is coming. So thank you guys. So it's raining. So hope you enjoy my video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.